I'm gonna walk across a minefield of improvised explosive devices.
Ready?
Using only my keen senses. One wrong step could spell disaster.
So I'm gonna have a bomb suit on. But the truth is that bomb suit is only good for a device that's below 5 pounds of powder. Is that true?
That's the general rule. It's rated for about 5 pounds of explosives at about 5 or 6 feet away from a person.
There is no way that I will have any knowledge, information, be told anything. Is that correct?
That's true. This is a restricted area now.
Each line, it's gonna start off, the first line is only gonna have one explosive device.
Right, we have one device in the first line, and then it'll increase from there. There'll be 2 in the second,
Three
in the
so
third.
on and so forth.
Stand by, everyone.
You ready?
The clock has started.
Oh, please be our God.
Minutes and counting.
Please be our God.
What the is he doing? What's he doing? 1 minute and counting.
Okay?
When are you taking your helmet off?
Christopher, please!
What are you doing?
Thirty seconds. Seconds. Chris, get the out of there. You got 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
What are you doing?
See how close those two came today? They were right on top of you.
Right back there.
Yeah, they're pulling bang now. They're gonna go down.
Thank God. Mom almost had a heart attack.